ألف لام ميم تنزيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين.
We all recite it, we memorize it, but when was the last time the Qur'an truly spoke to you? We all live busy lives, we attend lectures, we listen to reminders, but when do we really study the Qur'an deeply? When do we reflect over it? When do we walk through the Qur'an verse by verse? Most Muslims have sadly never really studied the Qur'an properly. We begin this term with Surah al-Sajdah, a surah about revelation, about certainty, about resurrection, and about the reality of standing before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It fundamentally asks one question: who truly submits to Him? At Tawfiq Online, we don't do surface level tafsir. We walk through the Qur'an carefully, deeply, and systematically. Based on classical scholarship, we understand the context, the language, and the theology, and the practical implementation of the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Students, professionals, parents, all united by one goal: to understand Allah's words properly. After Eid, many of us promise change, a new routine, a better relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let this be the term you begin that journey. Join us as we begin the Tafsir of Surah al-Sajdah.